Welcome to BotBanish, the ultimate solution for website protection. BotBanish is a tool that blocks bad bots, spiders, and fake users from websites and forums. BotBanish automatically logs and terminates bots and users that are determined to be fake or destructive, then denies them access to the system. BotBanish blocks new bots by their behavior and signatures and catches bots that disguise themselves as regular browsers, providing a defense against unwanted traffic. BotBanish can also prevent bots from falsely increasing page and download hits. To install the BotBanish plugin, first, you must log into your WordPress dashboard. Then, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Click on the Upload Plugin button and select the BotBanish plugin that you just downloaded. Click on the Install Now button and wait for the installation to complete. This process may take a little while to complete because the BotBanish database is created at this point. After the plugin is installed, click on the Activate button to enable it on your website. Once you have activated the BotBanish plugin, you can find it in the navigation bar of your WordPress dashboard. And you will see three options: Settings, Analytics, and View Logs. The settings in the database can be turned on or off for reporting purposes. This feature gives complete control over the information that BotBanish collects and the data that is displayed. Be sure to click Save Changes to apply them. BotBanish Analytics feature gives insight into what is happening on a website. View where users are going, what information they are accessing, and which files are being downloaded. This feature is a great way to keep track of the activity on a website. The top selection of the Analytics page is where a month can be selected to review data that has been previously captured. Select the day of the data to be viewed to view the day's detailed information. This feature allows easy access to the information that can be used to keep track of what is happening on a website. In the View Logs section, information can be viewed that BotBanish has collected about errors and other issues. This feature is a great way to stay informed about any potential problems and make sure that the website is running smoothly. Thank you for watching this video of BotBanish. Protect websites and forums with the powerful features that BotBanish provides, while keeping track of the bot and user activity. Get started today and experience the ultimate in website protection.